I love entertaining, and if you love entertaining too, this could be the next place for you to call home. This beautifully crafted, spacious home with multiple entertaining areas is perfect for family and friends to enjoy. I'm Phil Mangos. Welcome to 22 Miles Lane, Tauranga. Let's explore. The kitchen is superbly appointed with impressive features. There's so many special features to this home. Imagine sitting here with good friends, a great book, or a glass of wine. The sun-drenched home flows seamlessly to the outdoor areas. This property is an entertainer's dream. From morning coffees, evening barbecues and drinks, to splashing in the solar-heated pool, this home offers it all. Beautiful schist steps lead to fully landscaped grounds with extensive native and exotic plantings, plus an array of fruit trees, providing ample space for play and recreation. Or exercise the green thumb if you want to. Impressive, isn't it? And there's still so much more. If you have teenagers or extended family who often visit, or perhaps you want an option to work from home, this separate guest studio is an added bonus. The 359 square metre home sits privately over 3,700 square metres of land in a sought after location. For great shopping and award-winning restaurants, you're just 10 minutes to Tauranga's CBD or the growing Tauriko crossing, and just minutes to the popular schools such as Bethlehem, ACG and Aquinas. I'm sure you'll agree that this property is impressive. It's been built with comfort and functionality in mind. It's sophisticated yet timeless, allowing you just to move in and kick up your feet. I'd be delighted to show you around, and I look forward to your call.